Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize using Ansible Tower access for automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the authorization process in Ansible Tower, log into your Ansible Tower UI. Navigate to the Settings tab on the left sidebar. Under the Authentication section, you will find options for configuring various authentication methods. Select the authentication method you wish to use. For LDAP, enter the necessary LDAP server details and bind credentials. Fill in the required fields for your LDAP connection, such as the server URL and the base DN. If using OAuth, select the OAuth provider type and enter the client ID and secret. In the case of SAML authentication, input the SAML metadata URL along with the organization ID. Once all necessary details are filled in, save your changes. Next, navigate to the Users tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Add button to create a new user. Fill out the new user form with the required details, such as username and email. Assign the appropriate permissions to this user based on their role. After setting the permissions, save the user profile. Now, go to the Teams section. Create a new team if one doesn't already exist. Add the newly created user to the appropriate team. Next, navigate to the Projects tab. Ensure that your projects are correctly configured and linked to the necessary repositories. Once the projects are ready, move to the Inventories tab. Here, create an inventory that includes the hosts or groups you will be automating. Add the relevant hosts to your inventory. Return to the Jobs tab and create a new job template. Select the newly created inventory and project for your job template. Configure any additional settings as needed, such as job verbosity and job retries. Save the job template to ensure all settings are preserved. At this point, you should test your configuration by launching a job. Monitor the job's output to verify that authorization is functioning as expected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.